Good morning, friend. Welcome back to Information Technology Database Concept using LibreOffice Base. In this lectures, you are going to learn the practical, skill-oriented practical number 3. This practical you are going to write in a journal. Before that, we have learned last lecture skill-oriented practical 1 and skill-oriented practical 2 on the same lessons. Now, this is the third one. Create a table product with field names, product ID, product names, quantity, rate, model year, with appropriate data type and insert minimum 8 record. Once you created the database with the name product, you have to create a table also the same name in the database, and you have to insert the field names, product ID, product name, quantity, rate, model year, and you have to insert minimum 8 record. And the first which is asks you to do, generate a report to display record in ascending order of product name. You are going to generate a report with the product name and you have to display the product name in ascending order. Second report you are going to generate and display the record in descending order but on product rate. Then third report you are going to display on model year wise product list, and the fourth one you are going to display the query. You are going to find out the total amount. The formula will be quantity into rate, and you are going to display the total amount of each row. And finally you are going to generate a bill report with appropriate titles and calculate with the amount for each record. So let's see how we can do this practical. To doing this practical, you have to start the LibreOffice. Once you start the LibreOffice, you are going to create first table. How to create a table? Last previous class we already learned how to create a table. You are going to create a table by create table in design view or use wizard to create a tables. Here I already created tables, so I am going to show you, open and show you. So this is the table you are going to create. Once you created a table, you are going to enter minimum 8 record. I have entered here 4 record with the product ID, product name, quantity, rate and model year. So product ID, product name, quantity, rate and model year, this is the column field names, and you are going to enter the record minimum 8 record. You are going to enter with the product name, quantity, rate and model year. Once you enter, save these tables and start solving this practical. The first question is asked, you are going to generate the report to display record in ascending order of product name. So go to the database object. In the this object you have to click on the report, then click on the report in design view or the wizard to create a report. So click on wizard to create report, then the report wizard dialog box appear on the screen. In this wizard you are going to select the table product. Once you select the table product, then the available field will be displayed in this box. So available fields are display ID, product name, quantity, rate, model year. So which field you want on the report, that field you are going to select one by one by clicking on this single arrow, or all field you want, then click on the double arrow. So select the field and click on single arrow. So this way we can add the field on the report. Once you added a field on fields in the report, then click on next button. Then you will go to the next step, labeling the fields. Here already the fields are labeled. You want to change the label, then you can change is here product ID. You can give the full name, product ID, product name, quantity, rate and model year. Then click on next. You want to group, then group the fields, otherwise go for sorting the record. Now here you are going to sort the records, sort option. Here it is asks you to generate report to display record in ascending order of product name. So you are going to select the field from the sort by product name and select the order ascending or descending. Ascending, it is ascending. So product name ascending, click on next. And then how do you want your report to look? Your report should look in tabular form, column singular like this you want. Look here, it is changing. You want tabular form, then it's tabular form, column singular, column like this, columns, 2 columns like this, and this is the best one, tabular one. Click, and landscape orientation you want to keep, or portrait, that you have to decide, and click on next. Then create a report, decide how you want to proceed. Title of report, here a report title will be report on product name, report on product name. Okay, and then what kind of report do you want to create? Static report or dynamic report? Dynamic report you keep. How do you want to proceed after creating the report? Modify report or create a report now? So create report. Now click on finish. Once you click on the finish, your report is ready. Now this report is ready, and this report is generated with the name, product names. Now see, alphabet A B C D like this is created over here. Now edit document and give the name to the report. Here this name is given report on product name. So like this you can give, you can increase, you can format this, you can change the font of this report, you can make it attractive, increase the size of this. Okay, so this way you can create a report on product name. So now product name, this report is created. You want to save, close it and save it. So your report on product name is created and saved also. Now second question is given, generate report to display record in descending order of product rate. Here also once again we are going to create a report. Select the table product and select the available field, which field you are going to display on the report. The same field we need: product ID, product name, quantity, rate and model year. Okay, then click on the next, then give the label to the field and click on next. Don't want to create group, then go to the next and sort option. Here sort option is asks on product rate, so click on the product rate and select descending order. In this order you have to click descending and click on next, and then click next and finish. Now give the name to this report also. This report is created on product rate, so report on product rate, like this title you can give, report on product rate, and you can increase the size, you can format it properly, you can give the color. Okay, so this way this second report is generated on product rate. Now third report we are going to generate. Close this and save this one. So there are two reports now, product rate report and product name. Now we are going to generate a report to display model year wise product list. Now we are going to create one more report. Again you have to go to the wizard, select the table, available fields will be displayed, select one by one these fields and click on next, then grouping level if you want to create, otherwise go to the sort option. Now here report display model year wise, that's why we are going to select model year here. Now ascending, and then click on next, choose the layout, then click next and click on finish. Now look here also the report is created with product wise list. Report model year wise product list. Model year wise product list, you can format this, increasing or decreasing the size, and you can see here model year wise 2014, 15, 16 and 19. This report is generated on the model year. So you can save this report also, close this and click on save. So altogether we have created the three report First report we have created on the product name, second report we have created on the product rate, and third report we created on the model year. Now fourth question is asked that build a query to display amount, quantity and rate. Here you have to generate the query. So go to the database left pane and click on the queries and click on create query in design view. Once you click on the design view, add table or query window will appear. Click on the product table and click on add, close it, and double click on each field you want to display in the query. You want all the field names, so double click first product id, then product name, then quantity, then rate, and then model year. Okay, now we are going to calculate the amount. The formula is quantity into rate, so here we can write amount in the alias part, and here we are going to write the formula. So formula will be quantity QTY into rate. See, quantity into rate, and then click outside. This formula is ready. Now execute the query and see, you will get a result. Click on this, see amount came, quantity multiplied by rate. So first toothpaste total amount 80 rupees, then soap 80 rupees, shampoo 1000 rupees, and bread and milk 750 rupees. So this query is created of amount, total amount of each product. Okay, so save this also. This query you have to save and give the name amount query, and click on OK button. So this query has been saved. Now the last report is left to generate is generate a bill report with appropriate title and calculate amount for each record. Now already we have created the amount query, so here each record amount we already got, so we are going to generate report on the query. So go to the report, click on wizard to create report, and in this, instead of selecting the table product, we are going to select the amount query, because here we have calculate the total amount, so we'll get the report. We can generate the bill report. So here select each and every field, model, and then amount, then click on next. Here label you have to give, grouping is not necessary, sort order through the amount we are going to sort. Click on next, next, and finish. Look here, total amount wise this product bill report is generated. Give the name to this report, bill report bill report. You can write here bill report. Okay, and then increase or decrease the font size, format it, and give the text color. Once you finish this, check it once again. See here, each and every record's total amount is given here, means we have created report properly. So this is the skill oriented practical number 3. Altogether we have to create 4 report and 1 query. So first, while doing this practical, create a table name product and also create a database. Once you created a database with the name product, then create a tables, enter the fields product id, product name, quantity, rate, model year. Once you have and design the table with these field names, then insert minimum 8 record and then start generating the report. So I hope you understood this practical. This practical you have to write in your journal, step by step how you learn this, that way you have to write, and this is the result of your skill oriented practical number 3. I hope you understood this practical. Thank you.